Welcome to IturoO, guys.
Hey Samaru, what are we working on today?
Today we're gonna draw a unicorn. Get your pencil and paper ready, kids.
Okay kids, I hope you have your pencil and paper ready. Let's start with 2 little circles.
Yep.
For the eye.
Yeah.
Okay, and then another big circle.
It doesn't need to be perfect.
And then for the eyeball, let's do 1/2 circle here. And we shade it in, right, Summer?
Shade it in.
Take your time. Try to stay within the lines. And after that, we add the eyelashes.
Yep. And
after the eyelashes, let's do an inverted U. That's like the ear. And of course, inside the ear, we'll add a circle.
Yep.
So after that, we do...
Who's the face?
Okay. Stop there, and then we do another curved line here. And we add the nose. It's a pony.
Yeah.
Next, we work on the hair. Nice and smooth.
Doesn't need to be perfect.
Stop there, so we have some space for the horn.
And we draw the horn now.
Then there's 3 levels for the horn, right?
Yeah. You can add as much as you like.
Yeah. There. And okay, next, let's not forget the back ear there.
Yep.
Okay, so how about the hair?
Now, smoothly, we put
A
this.
curved line and then another one. So maybe 3 for good luck. There. And then we work on
the bar.
the body. So 1 leg and the other one. And I think we're gonna make this pony sit down. So we'll do it like that. And then the other foot.
Over there.
Then we add the feet, which is basically just a line. Another curved line. And another curved line.
And another. And just put
the tail. So easy, right, Summer?
Yep.
And to finish it off,
Yep.
the line.
Mine.
There you go. We're done.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for new tutorials. La, la, la. I want to draw with you so you can learn it too. With IturoO.
Be sure to download the IturoO app to access hundreds of step-by-step drawing tutorials. Bye, kids.